How to customize header and footer in Wix. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to edit the footer and header on your Wix website. What you need to do is just click on edit site once you've logged in, and here you can see that I have the demo website that I have. What you just need to do is just to hover on the topmost part of the website, and there you can see that that's the header. And what you just need to do is that you click on quick edit and you will be able to edit the website's header on the left side panel of the screen. Here you can modify or change the logo or the icon that you incorporated into your website. You can even edit the text and the words and the color as well from here. Here, as you can see, you can definitely also double tap on the word or the text that's on the website, and you can simply do the quick edits from there as well. Like you can add an animation, or you can change the vector art, you can have a settings, and many more. And for changing the footer or editing the footer of the website as well, what you can do is just go to the bottommost part of the website, and there when you hover that, the orange part of the website is the footer. There it's labeled as well, and then you just need to click on quick edit, that's on the lower left side of the screen. And here on the left side panel, that's where you can add informations and where you can edit the details that has been incorporated as well. You can change the alignment, the font style of the text, and if there's any changes on what the words or details should be added, you can definitely edit it here as well. And that's how you edit the header and footer on your Wix website. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.